Today, I'm introducing you to a very special tool that we've added to our range, the 1/2-inch Twin Turbo Palm Impact Wrench 9012 PTT. With this extremely handy impact wrench, you can reach and operate even very tightly installed screw connections in and on machines, steel constructions, or vehicles. These are typically brake calipers, strut bearings, shock absorbers, steering wheel bolts, and other hard-to-reach screw joints. Unlike other impact wrenches, the Twin Turbo Palm Impact Wrench, which incidentally features a 1/2-inch square drive, doesn't have a separate handle, but is held in the fist on the head of the impact wrench. This allows the palm impact wrench to be moved very dynamically and intuitively. The trigger, otherwise built into the handle, is located directly on the head of the palm impact wrench, and has been fitted in such a way that the impact wrench can be operated easily and intuitively. The exhaust air is directed downwards through the handle. The 9012 PTT has right-hand, left-hand rotation that can be switched over in just one stage. Here, too, the switch-over lever has been positioned effectively at the head of the impact wrench. This handy palm impact wrench is very powerful despite its small size. This is ensured by the proven twin turbo motor with its high-performance double hammer impact mechanism. The maximum tightening torque is 500 Nm. The maximum loosening torque, 550 Nm. Despite its power, our palm impact wrench is designed to run with low vibration and low reaction forces during operation. This, combined with the low net weight of only 1.1 kilograms for an impact wrench, makes working with the palm impact wrench pretty much stress-free. By the way, as with all our motor-driven air tools, the working pressure is 6.3 bar. To make sure you can enjoy our air tools for a long time, you should oil them every day, if you use them every day. If you're looking for a powerful, handy impact wrench, which you can also use to reach really out-of-the-way screw connections, then the HAZET Twin Turbo Palm Impact Wrench 9012 PTT is the right choice. By the way, if you're looking for a more powerful impact wrench from HAZET, take a look here. Or do you want a compact impact wrench with proven twin turbo technology that has a classic handle? Then take a look at the video of our popular bestseller, the Twin Turbo Impact Wrench 9012 TT, here. Don't miss any new videos from us and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.